How to fix unable to locate Java runtime on Minecraft error while launching the game. Now, the very basic troubleshooting step I'm going to be providing you are the most easiest ones. So first things first, without any touching from JavaScript directly, all you have to do at first is simply go into your Minecraft launcher, then go to installations, select the problematic profile, click on the three dots and then edit to find the Java executable setting. From there, you just have to make sure that you have JavaScript installed on that folder. If not, all you have to do next is just go into your Windows icon, type in configure Java, type in configure Java, choose on whichever result that will redirect you to the main folder or to the Java control panel. Now you will see um, options here. Just go to update and then just simply click or choose on update now. Once update is completed, just simply click on OK and reset or restart your computer. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix unable to locate Java runtime on Minecraft error while launching the game.